What's up, owners? What's up, entrepreneurs? Your boy is back. John Juan, director, photographer, recording artist, and entrepreneur himself. And this is Being a Better Entrepreneur. And today we got a lot to unpack. We're going over planning, we're going over goal setting, and we're going over quality control. So sit tight and let's get to it. Setting goals means you have somewhere to be that you aren't yet. First, you have to determine what that is and what it looks like once you achieve that goal. You should also prepare yourself to see results that you might not have expected, but still benefit you nonetheless. Around here, we don't believe in taking L's or losses. We only acknowledge lessons learned and the experience gained through those lessons. Okay, so you spent over a month on a plan to gain 25 new clients. You hit up hundreds of people, got left on red. You even spent a couple $100s on ads to try and reach people and didn't see quite the results that you wanted. But you connected with one major company that admired your profile, saw how everything was put together, commented on how professional you were, and gave you the opportunity to volunteer your services and be exposed to thousands of people within your same field. The answer to that is up to you. Although it's not a paid gig, and we'll get into free work / exposure work in chapters to come, but this is marketing at its best. You now have the chance to be exposed to thousands of people that you never knew before, that would have never seen your business otherwise, and are likely to hire you because you're aligned with this major brand. It's a no-brainer, folks. This is marketing at its best. Now, my question to you is, do you see that month spent of marketing as a waste or an opportunity to majorly scale your business? If you said major scale, then you'll probably be doing really good business in the years to come. And I salute you. Set your goals, but don't be naive to the fact that results vary and can be drastically different than the ones that are planted in your head. Quality control. Evaluate your services and products. Is this service or product positively or negatively affecting my profit margin? You also have to realize if there's a particular service or product that you provide that's cost efficient to you and it's a fan favorite, you need to make that a focal point to sell. And you have to put everything that you can into promotion of this service or product. On the other hand, if there's a product or service that you provide that's not as cost efficient and you're actually losing money on, you might want to consider clipping those wings or charging it as a premium service if you don't want to get rid of it altogether. Realizing, evaluating, and managing your services by how much they cost you is essential to scaling your business. You can't grow if something's holding you back. Do projections and let the work take you higher. Your business only goes as far as you take it. Keep a close eye on your goals, and as you reach them, evaluate what got you there. Keep an open-minded business. As an entrepreneur, I have to say that I've seen my business go in directions that I would have never even imagined as a result of goals and plans that I set for myself. As always, entrepreneurs, it's great talking to you. It's great building this community. If you find any of this content useful, make sure you're subscribed to that P.A.U. Studios YouTube channel because I'm dropping gems and we're going to stay consistent with this. If you're looking for more content from me, you can follow me on Instagram at Plenty Skills or follow my production company at Usual Politics and at P.A.U. Studios LLC. If we really locked in, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment below, let me know what gems you took away from this and what you want us to cover next time. Remember, it's all about doing better business, and that's what we're here to do. I'm John Juan. This is Being a Better Entrepreneur, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Yo, the bag that I've been in is not for the weak. We killing the streets, now everybody needs something from me. Fuck what you need, stacking this paper, I've been going hard. I cannot pretend like all these lames even in my league. Fuck it, go ahead and believe. I just know I've been building the wealth by building and hiring help. If you a boss, every word will be felt. You a hater, you can burn up in hell. Matter of fact, I be wishing you life to see me come up, burn a hole in your soul. All these stripes, but I'm coming at night. Was doing well, now I'm doing it right. Underrated, never been with the hype. Clout chasing, could go take a hike. Meanwhile, I'ma take me a flight to a fly island where my service is shoddy. I ain't posted, just working and vibing. Laid up like I'm doing the mic in my bag deep, and it's nobody like me. They calling me cocky, but I'm feeling
P.A.U. Studios, shooting everything. Movie status.